and get on out of here. Go to school.
Uncle, you better come look at this.
What?
There's a white man standing in the street.
I seen one.
Not like this.
Dial 911. Tell the police to get up here quick. Somebody's about to get killed.
Drake,
What?
where's the limit?
It's right here. See, I drew it with a magic marker.
It's supposed to reach the same point from the left and right.
Dude, it does.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Then show me that the value's the same from both the left and right side.
Okay, I will. Oh, I see the problem. Number 15, implicit differentiation. In this form, the function is expressed in terms of both y and x. But as it turns out, that might be more familiar than you think. A math teacher uploaded a photo anonymously to a math site showcasing his knowledge of calculus. With the statement, implicit differentiation is nothing more than a simple case of the well-known chain rule for derivatives. Admittedly, he made it sound too simple. I do that.
I found my yellow sheets.
Oh my. Run, Peter. Run to class as fast as you can. Ah! Hey, Vsauce, Michael here. The limit, as x approaches 2, of x minus 2 over x squared minus 4 equals 0 over 0. Or does it? If we were to take our original limit and factor out the denominator, we would get x plus 2 times x minus 2. This would simplify to 1 over x plus 2, which then you plug into 2 and get 1 over 4. So these two limits are the same. This one equals 0 over 0. This one equals 1/4. But how?
Sometimes you gotta stay in, and you know where I live. Yeah, you know what we is. Sometimes you gotta stay in.
I want to derive slope of f of x. Now change the coefficient. Find the rate of change.
Hi, my name is Steven Crowder here at UC Berkeley, and today we're going to be talking about why calculus has no real-life application, and I'll be inviting students to change my mind.
Hi, young liberal here.
Hi, it's nice to meet you.
I just don't really agree with what you're saying, and that goes against my core belief system, so I'd like to chat with you about this.
Alright, well let's sit down and let's chat this out.
I've actually heard of several examples of calculus being used out there in the real world. Now, it's not everyday life, but I know businesses use it for optimization to figure out the best way to maximize profits. I also know that the CDC uses some calculus to figure out how disease patterns are changing throughout the year and stuff like that. And I also know it's used in architecture, computer algorithms, and a million other things, so I think it's quite relevant.
Well, everybody makes mistakes, young man.
Hey, let's keep your parents out of this.
Okay, so right off the bat we can see Gambino isn't wearing a shirt, which is symbolic of vulnerability, which is something every high school calculus student feels walking into Mrs. Romer's room.
This is America. Don't catch you slipping now.
Notice the two chains around Gambino's neck. If these were put together, they would form an infinity symbol, referencing x values as they approach infinity. If the numerator has a higher exponent than the denominator, then the limit does not exist. If the denominator has a higher exponent than the numerator, then the limit is 0. If the exponents are of equal value, then the limit is a fraction made by the leading coefficients of the numerator and the denominator.
Another crucial reference in the video is the hooded figure riding atop a horse. As everyone knows, horse rhymes with point of inflection, symbolizing the point at which a change in concavity occurs. This is typically represented by a y value of 0 in the second derivative.
The final scene at the end of This Is America is crucial. You can see Gambino is fleeing from some blurry figures that appear to vaguely resemble Mrs. Romer. You can tell by their crushing determination and motherly appearance.